Obas, I'm Jack the Greek and welcome back for another episode. Today we're going to be cooking on our small CrossRay electric barbecue from Heat Strip. And there it is, nice and hot, ready to go. You're going to be asking, what are we going to cook? Well, we're going to cook some beautiful Greek style, beautiful lamb cutlets. And yes, we're going to just marinate them with a little bit of rigani, olive oil and salt and pepper. Keeping it simple and putting it on a bed of beautiful mixed lettuce. Now, on the CrossRay BBQ, as you can see, this is one of the new products that they've got on the market. It's the electric version of the big beast over here. And of course, where would you use this? You could use it in your backyard, plug it into the power and away you go. But of course, you can also use it on your apartments. Because end up in an apartment, nice and high, it's nice and compact and easy to use. So let's start preparing our beautiful lamb cutlets. So the first thing we're going to do is put some traditional Greek rigani. And we're going to thank our friends from Aegean Deli at Preston Market for supplying this beautiful ingredient straight from Greece. There we go. Cutlets always need rigani. Make sure you always put them on, just like that. And let's have a look at our barbecue. It's nice and hot because that's what I want for the CrossRay barbecue, especially with some beautiful lamb cutlets like this. Spring lamb cutlets, just like that. With some beautiful pepper. And of course, we'll put some crushed salt as well. And we'll give them a little bit of a mix. Just plenty of salt. There we go. Put that away, and of course, give it a little bit of a mix before we put it on. There we go. That will there. Now, I don't like leaving my meat marinate for too long because it dries it out. So I usually do it just before I cook or while it's cooking. So let's come in close and let's put our beautiful lamb cutlets straight on the CrossRay barbecue. Now, this is the new electric one, and as I said, it's nice and compact and can be used in any home, apartment, townhouse where you don't need gas, where you're not allowed to use gas. And I will put a couple on the plate as well at the back, just so we can see the difference and how it all cooks, because you'll find with the technology of the heat strip underneath, it's all going to cook nice and evenly. So let's put this away and then let's prepare our salad. Look at this, look what's on the side of us here. We have some beautiful yoghurt, and of course, our friends again at Aegean Deli for providing our yogurt. We thank you very, very much. Before we start with that, you're going to ask what am I going to be making? A nice, beautiful mint dip to put on top of my beautiful lamb cutlets. Let's have a look. Come in close, and let's see how they're going. We'll lift one up and have a look. Look at that. Beautiful. We'll give it probably another minute to cook, and then we'll turn them over. So come back over here, and let's now prepare a beautiful dip that we're going to put on top as a bit of a nice topping. It's similar to a tzatziki dip, but I'm just going to make it with yogurt, just like this, just as much as you want. Don't have to make too much. And we'll put that away, and we'll grab a little bit of lemon. So we'll grab our lemon and put a little bit of a squeeze. And with that, we now need to grab a little bit of mint, just on the side like this. There we go. We'll grab the mint, just cut it up. Any knife will do. This is what I just found below my workbench. And we'll just put it in like this. That should be enough just there. Put it in just like that. We'll move away the other lemon for now and give it a bit of a mix, just like this. There we go. So we've got that in, and that will be ready to place just on top of our beautiful lamb cutlets. It's now time to turn over our beautiful lamb cutlets. As you know, we've just made our beautiful sauce for the top, our yogurt sauce, and we'll just turn these over like this. I'm just staying on the side here to show you how nice and beautiful and even this meat is going to be. Either whether it's cooked on the grill or it's cooked on the plate, nice and beautiful, evenly cooked over the entire CrossRay heat strip and grill. There we are, beautiful, look at that. Beautiful. I can smell the oregano. I can smell all the flavours of the beautiful spring lamb coming out. So I'm going to put the lid down and just leave that for another 4 or 5 minutes as well. Now, my fantastic daughter also mentioned that while I was making this beautiful dip, I did say mint, but it's actually dill that I added, and you would have probably caught me out and added that to the comments. So we'll do that another bit of a mix, and then we'll get our salad, put on our plate, and serve up a beautiful lamb spring cut. I'm back now. It's been around 10 minutes since we've been cooking on our fabulous new CrossRay BBQ from Heatstrip. It's the new electric version, and as you can see, it's nice and compact, perfect for your townhouse or apartment. But today, Jack the Greek is cooking some traditional Greek lamb cutlets. Beautiful spring lamb, and now it's time to plate it up. And as you can see, it's all ready. I've cooked them both sides, and I've cooked half of them on the grill and half of them on a plate to show you how they can all cook evenly, regardless what surface you're going to use on the CrossRay BBQ. Beautiful, look at that, excellent. So let's plate them up. We've got our beautiful traditional yogurt with dill and lemon that I prepared earlier, and that's what we're going to cover them in. So let's put them here, just like this. Beautiful. There you go. Look at that. And we don't want to overcook our lamb cutlets, so I'll just turn it off, just like that. And let's start now plating up the rest. Beautiful. So here we go. And these are beautiful bite-sized lamb cutlets, straight from our friends at Mario's Meats at Preston Market. Beautiful. I'll grab this one here. Just like that. There we go. I reckon we can fit one more. Just one more. Oh, just like this. Under here. There we go. And top it off and close that lid now. Put that away and put some beautiful traditional yogurt with dill and lemon squeeze on top. Just like that. All the way across. Beautiful. And there we go again. You can have this as an appetizer or you can have it as a main meal. It really depends. And it's up to you. It only takes about 10 minutes to cook on the CrossRay BBQ. Whether you use the electric one or you use the big 4-burner, they'll all cook in around 10 minutes. So once again, there we have it. We have some beautiful lamb, spring lamb I should say, cutlets cooked on the CrossRay BBQ. And of course, with lamb cutlets, you've got to have a Mikos beer. Opas from Jack the Greek.